live raft. No, live raft, sorry.
Can we put on 7 FM transmitter because we need to communicate also?
Yeah, but that is solar powered FM receiver. Does a solar powered thing work on a moon?
Yes, it does.
Some signals or some communication need to be established.
I think if we can move that ahead, I mean, up, little up.
Okay, before food. Here. Is that okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can we take the self-inflating life raft for propulsion? Because we need to move forward also, no? After having survived, after having the food. So movement is also required.
We would also need this milk, dehydrated milk.
We put on leaven like parachute silk to protection from sun rays.
Parachutes.
First aid.
We'll need first aid kits, yes.
First aid is important, yes.
We would need a nylon rope also. So that would help us because of no gravity on moon. It will help us walk better and
Yes.
faster.
So nylon rope should be the next one you mean to say?
Yeah. And heating unit also.
What?
That only is left for now.
No, there's one more.
Matchbox.
There's matchboxes.
So if we have time, can we relook at it once again?
Yeah,
Yes,
we have
please.
2-3 minutes. I guess.
Yeah. So first thing, when we when we are strained, if we
Okay, guys. So are you done with it? Are you done?
Yeah, ma'am, almost just.
Can we once look at it? Can we once look at it?
No, no. So
Give us
what
2
you have
minutes.
to do after you have done the ranking, now I think you also have the NASA ranking, right? With you, do you have it?
What? Yeah.
Hello.
हाँ वो जूम चल रहा है अभी अभी और आधा घंटा का खत्म करके फिर कॉल करता है हाँ हाँ ठीक
graph, you can just use it to slide down or whatever. Whatever, one of the life-saving,
So signal flares, yes, of course, is 8.
yes. I think that just go 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 15. Because 14 you've covered.
Yeah. 11, 12, 13.
And what about pistols also? That is also maybe to give signals, right?
Yeah, yeah. But again, that's also once you reach closer.
Okay. Okay.
Because wo sound dega. I mean, I don't know how much.
Actually, pistols can be very dangerous in that zero gravity area. You never
Oh,
know
yeah.
which way and which is hitting which way.
Correct. ऊपर
So
जाने
you
के
could
बदले
be
में कहीं और
actually-
जाएगा. Good point. Yeah.
It is generally a very destructive. So,
You'll have to sort it again, Arijit. Sorry.
yep, done. Now this is done. हाँ ये सही है.
It looks better.
Yeah, we can
So
submit this.
like you have this roti kapda and makan. So food, water, battery.
Huh.
now total it up total करो
Total कैसे करेंगे?
क्या total करना है?
Where
How
is the
many ranks?
NASA का rank कहाँ है put the NASA rank next to
कहाँ
it
है?
WhatsApp check your WhatsApp
अच्छा.
WhatsApp check करना है. अच्छा.
Yeah, NASA ranking. But then
then take out the differences and total it up
What is the NASA ranking?
yeah, but item ABC, so it's as per the original thing.
I believe we are missing on the reference document.
We have to now check where are we, how right we have answered.
yes now is to check whether it is right or wrong so put the NASA ranking in the next column
अच्छा NASA ranking करके और एक कॉलम बनाना पड़ेगा ग्रुप रैंकिंग की साइड पे
नहीं वहां पर रखो डिफरेंस अच्छा ठीक है put
हाँ उसके साइड पे डाल देंगे
Yeah, let's put NASA ranking here.
yeah so we are correct on the first thing 100-pound tank oxygen
How do we know that? No.
It's given on
mapping
WhatsApp.
is 3.
WhatsApp पे
So
दिया है ना
I have it with me. I'll let you know. Second is 5 gallons of water.
Okay. Is it Prachi? Prachi, can you
Yeah,
start?
right. So fourth is 2. First
If we-
is first. First is first.
Okay.
Fourth is 2. Fourth is 2.
नीचे
Which fourth?
Arijit, our number 4. Arijit,
Okay,
5 gallons of water.
I'll go.
5 gallons of water ऐसे बोल दीजिए आप प्राची 5 gallons of water is 2 ऐसे
2. Arijit, 2.
It's two.
Yeah.
Stellar map is 3.
Apna number 2.
And then food concentrate is 4. This is 5. Solar powered FM receiver is 5. Self-initiating. The self-initiating lift raft is 9. 50 feet. Nylon is 6. Signal flares is 10. First aid is 7. Parachute skills is 8.
Silk.
Silk.
Yeah, skills, sorry.
It protects from the sun rays.
And dehydrated milk is. I'm sorry, I'm not able to figure out where is dehydrated milk. I can't find it.
Dehydrated milk.
Yeah, it's 12. It's 12.
12. 1 case of dehydrated milk.
Yeah, and then portable heating is 13. 0.45
Caliber 11.
11.
11. And magnetic compass is 14 and then 15.
Not bad, yeah.
हमारा फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट एकदम सही है.
अरे पर काफी बाकी भी काफी मिलते जुलते, मतलब बहुत दूर नहीं गए.
नहीं नहीं
Now
सही
you have
है.
to find the difference. Now what is the difference? Put a difference column. And then total it up.
Okay.
0, 0.
So we have to like subtract NASA minus our score,
हाँ
right?
हाँ 0, इसका 0 हो जाएगा. First का 0
No,
हो
no.
गया.
So, the base has to be NASA ranking, right?
वही मैं पूछ रहे हैं. It
हाँ.
has to be NASA minus group rank.
Yes.
Oh, शाबाश.
अरे ये माइनस आ रहा है यहाँ पर.
4 में हम लोग मस्त रहे हैं. हाँ ठीक है माइनस होगा because
Yeah, where you have
हमने नीचे कर दिया.
just sum it up. That's it.
Sum is 0 आ गया.
Possible.
2 minus 2 0 हो गया. 3 minus 1 2 2
हाँ, negate.
4 4 minus
कर दिया ना.
4. हाँ हो गया 0 ही है.
0 0.
It's
Possible,
right.
right? Because it's very close. The variations are not very stark, no?
Yeah.
I think we did a good job.
Yeah.
Total, where is the total?
Total is 0.
ऐसा थोड़ी होगा.
हाँ
हाँ,
ना 0
zero,
आया.
difference का
Difference था
zero.
total.
आप क्या कह रहे हो कि जो माइनस है उसको हम
माइनस नहीं आएगा. वहाँ बस one figure, no negative positive. बस जो फिगर है 4 minus 2 2 2 लिखो.
अच्छा 4 minus 2 2 ऐसा
हाँ, minus
तो
नहीं
आपको
लेना.
वो
No, but
करना
you have to
it's
पड़ेगा.
take-
minus 2. No. So here, Milton,
You
please help
only-
us.
You
The
only
base
have
has to be the nice NASA ranking, right?
you
If
only have to write the difference. That's it.
हाँ so any the greater number minus the
हाँ.
smaller, so it doesn't matter which one.
हाँ, just write the number.
So only the difference.
अच्छा 0 वो 1 ये 1 फिर 2 फिर
0
फिर
3 1
2
2 2
2
2
1
1
1
1
1
2 2
2
2 0 0.
Total.
5 4
हाँ.
सही है 18 ओ तेरी
बढ़िया है.
what should be the ideal number? Where should be?
अभी बाहर आओ फिर बताते हैं.
क्लास खुलेगा.
Okay, Devas has to come to the main room.
Yes. Now
Well,
I'm
let's
closing.
get
Yes.
चलिए let's go.
Hi guys, all of you are back.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So can both the groups share their score sheet or let's I think I was in group 2. So let me see who is showing it. Okay. Okay. Vilma, is Vilma around? Vilma, I want to actually hear out some of your observations in this group. Because their score seemed to be, the different score seemed to be low. That means they were very closer to the goal, that is the NASA ranking. Looks like, so I want to get your observations.
Though I missed some part of their conversation, but
Okay,
I
but by and large.
yes, they were very they were able to strategize the things. Number one, they could understand the importance and implications of each of the items, which would help them to reach the destination in a shorter time, right? And more or less their views on each of the items as they went on listing individually were more or less close to each other. So there was a lot of synergy in the group. So
Did
that
you
is
find
how.
any members of the group trying to push their own agenda or trying to push their
No.
own ranking to the group team ranking?
Maybe under the table, if they have done something, I don't know.
No, but I think so. A lot of inputs from Gopa helped us, ma'am. Where she said that this would not be useful on a moon, and all her logical discussions really helped us.
Okay.
The directions
Gopa
were very
emerged
correct.
as a, would you agree? So if Gopa has emerged as, taking the lead in terms of strategizing and trying to create a basis or a criteria or prioritization, giving a rationale or a logic, how did the other members, were they listening? How did they react, respond?
They were listening to her and to the
Yes,
other team
listening to
members
her.
also, and then
You also
for
have
reaching a
members, no?
consensus. They were discussing and then coming to a consensus. So it was not a unilateral kind of a thing. It was a group effort that went into the entire exercise.
Mhm. So would you say that Gopa, let me ask some of the members of the group. Any one member who was in Gopa's group?
Ma'am, I was
Prachi?
there.
Prachi, were you there in the group?
Yes,
Prachi,
ma'am.
were you a
Yes,
part
ma'am.
of
I
the
was.
group where
Yes,
Gopa-
ma'am. I was there. I was there as part of it.
So how did you feel, Gopa, when she took the leadership role and she was trying to convince or build a logic or strategize? So
I would say the group in totality, first of all, the group in general was pretty much cohesive. But
Yeah.
wherever there were a couple of points where we were like falling off, there that is where she came in and then she kind of clarified clearly that why this makes sense to be here and not somewhere else. Especially on we were all haywire on one point. So she kind of clarified it. It makes sense to us who didn't really know what is the application of it. And the second person I have to also say, Arijit also took the lead in really
Yeah.
putting all the parameters together. And the way he had actually done it, if it would not have been so rightly put across, I don't think so we would have come down to a very clear answer so quickly. That was also a very strong leading point that he did. The very portrait.
So can I ask one last question? So what was the strategy here? How did you all actually then prioritize? So how
Very
did you?
clearly. Yeah, it was very simple. So here, Arijit's role was very, very strong. He had actually laid out a template where each individual will give their ranking, and then we'll come up to the group ranking, and then we'll actually come up to the final actual ranking of each element. And then that is where made it very simple for us, because when we were doing an averaging, and then final evaluation and discussion happened around this, where Gopa's inputs also came very valid. So there were hardly any differences though, but wherever we were falling apart, Gopa held us together. So I think they both played a very strong role in putting it all together. The strategy was very simply laid out.
So can I assume that, so that means your strategy was to, first of all, get the team's ranking on every item and look at the averaging, and that's how you
Yes,
arrived at the
absolutely.
final ranking?
Yes. So the best part about this particular mechanism is that you are taking the group together. You are not, so everyone's input matters and everyone's input are valid, and everyone takes up ownership in terms of the outcome that are coming out. So it's not one man leading the army and everybody feeling left out. It was a completely a group activity and led very well by Arijit and followed by Gopa.
So as I actually hear, and if I were to process some of the learnings and some of the takeaways and some of the outcomes from this group activity of this group, one is flexibility. Maybe I have ranked my individual ranking, but because the group has a goal, so I want to achieve that group goal. So in order to achieve that group goal, I go by the group, getting convinced, because sometimes what happens, if you have noticed, when you're working in a group, there will be certain members who will not like to be convinced. They will override everything and stand as kind of blocks in the completion of a goal, right? Here, the focus was not only on prioritizing, but also coming to a consensus, team consensus. No? So there in team consensus, there are certain processes, that is convincing. How do you actually build trust, integrity? Like everybody here now saying, no, we were convinced about Gopa. We knew that, she has taken a leader, but there could be a group where said, hey, Gopa, no, it is not right. So, as a result, what happens? You are not able to achieve your goal as well, right? Okay. So if you are wanting to test team behavior and collaboration, etc., typically one can also go in for such exercises, group exercises wherein you are observing each and every member's role in terms of contribution, in terms of leading, in terms of initiativeness, in terms of, more importantly, in result orientation, that is achieving group goal. See, doing your individual goal is okay, but achieving a group goal has many challenges, right? And sometimes what happens, there are people who have to be pulled up the learning curve, right? Bringing everybody on par, ability to show them the common goal, the common vision. These are certain things. Okay, great guys, because your score is 18, that difference, that means you are also very, very close to the NESA ranking. Great. Okay, let us now look at the other group.
Archana, can you share the screen? Archana?
Or Majumdar, you have the who's got that? Okay, are you having a challenge, Rachana? Okay.
Ma'am, I was with the first group. I think they meant
okay.
Archana. Yeah.
Okay. Vanessa. Okay.
Archana, I meant Archana. Yeah.
All right. I have actually seen the score. So you can speak out the score, Majumdar, if you want to, because we are not getting that some technology problem in terms of sharing that ranking. Okay. Unmute yourself, please. Unmute yourself, Majumdar. Unmute.
Yeah.
What is your score?
Though
52,
our
52 or something.
Yeah, difference is 52, but we have also tried.
Did you have a strategy first of all?
Yeah, strategy was we are having certain individual ranking and also the group ranking. But when we are discussing with the group, at that point of time, our individual ranking was not played a major role. Because it's a collaborative effort, number one, and number two, we are in a problem. So in order to mitigate the problem, we have to be very much cohesive, and team cohesiveness is very much required. So as our score suggests 52, maybe we are alive. That is due to that.
Okay.
Yeah. So
some of my observations, having observed the group. The group was very cohesive. They were very, very collaborative, high on collaboration. Okay. But B, they did not have a strategy in place. Would you agree, all the members, as to how to rank? Because somebody initiated saying, hey, I have these three. How do we go about? Okay, let us list it. Let us go about. But in specific, you did not have a strategy in place. Would you agree, Majumdar?
Yes.
But you are high on collaboration. You would listen to the others, and nobody clearly emerged. This was a leaderless group. So therefore, in this leaderless group, everybody was actually supporting each other and in terms of, expressing their opinion, but nobody actually emerged as a leader in saying that, hey, yes, it's all good, but probably I think what we are lacking is a strategy. Let us look at a strategy. What is the basis? What is the criteria of actually prioritizing? You all were more granular down, saying that, okay, fine, this is the ranking, so this is it, and so let's go about, I have this ranking 1, 2, 3, so let's register. But looking at a strategy in place, and then starting to then rank in order of priority, that was lacking. But otherwise, I think in terms of behaviors, team behaviors, collaboration, cooperation, listening to other person's point of view, I think the entire group was very good. Okay. So, but yet in a leaders-less group, we are also looking out for, hey, who's the leader emerging? This was nobody appointed Gopa as a leader, or nobody appointed here as anybody. So, but here in this group, nobody emerged as a leader. Okay, to strategize. Well, guys, this was an exercise to show you and also to make you feel, go through this process of how when you do individual ranking and then when you do team ranking, what happens very often in organizations also, you're trying to push your agenda on the team goals. Okay. Well, in both the groups, I think nobody actually tried to push their own agendas in terms of, hey, this is my individual ranking, let me push it, because then there is some sense of, powerlessness, etc. And need for power. I guess both the groups did not have people who had very high need for power. People were only looking at purely from the perspective of, achieving the goal. Okay. So if you actually go do these experiential based some more, then you will actually realize that how you can actually see in these processes of while working, that how these behaviors emerge. Okay. So
Ma'am, one question on the
this is,
exercise.
yeah, Prachi or Vanessa.
Ma'am, in the intro exercise, okay, when we did this, so we did our individual ranking and then we did our group
This
ranking.
was not intro, huh? This is moon landing exercise, yeah.
Okay, so when we do this, say in our organization, or when we have to go back and do it in our organization, so what holds more value? Is the individual part of it more important, or the group part, or is it supposed to be balanced out between both?
So typically when we do these exercises, what are we watching is, we have not done that here. You also look at how far away or what is your score in terms of individual ranking and the group ranking also. Okay. Okay. So it also helps you in terms of understanding, of course, if it is closer to the group ranking, that means you are really aligned to the group. Okay. But at times you also actually analyze, because it is ultimately the group ranking which is very, very important, because you've been specifically given a group target. So many a times what happens in organizations, when you're given a group target, people are more concerned about, hey, my agenda, my individual goal, etc. And you are not collaborating to achieve that goal. As a result, it is not a win-win. You win and group loses, it is not a win-win. Like, for example, I'll give you a very interesting example, because, having been the head of HR for several organizations, typically what happens, there are 3-4 verticals, or business, HR, finance, others. So everybody thinks, if I have achieved my targets, if I've done, I have really, without being collaborative with the others. You have not won. If the organization has lost, you have not won, right? So to ensure that, hey, not at the cost of the organization, or not at the cost of the group goals, or not at the cost of the team goals. Okay, Gopa, any questions?
No, ma'am.
No, none. Okay, guys. I also want you all to do one thing. There's a lot of information which Vilma has shared, some videos, etc., both in AC, DC, PDFs. I want you to, because in this brief time of 3 hours, one may actually not give you much in detail, but if you supplement your knowledge and skill with that, I'll tell you, it will enhance your understanding.
Madam, one thing I would like to say that
Yeah.
in that moon, apart from this moon landing exercise,
Hmm.
we have also got a free intro exercise for graduate retail banking.
Yeah, please go back and do that at home.
That is very detailed one.
Okay.
Because we don't have that kind of a time, but it will be a very interesting exercise for you.
Okay.
Okay.
You can use it.
Yeah. Vanessa, you can unmute and say something you wanted to say.
Yes, ma'am. I was asking about this moon landing exercise only. So typically we are looking at two main competencies in this, right? One is planning and prioritizing, and the
And
other
team
is
behavior.
on team building.
Team behavior.
Yeah. So
And
so
also
these
we are
two
looking
main
at this is a
competencies.
leaderless group. We are also looking at leadership in the teams.
Sure.
Okay, guys. Flexibility also. If one looks at finer, but strictly speaking, we look at prioritizing, strategizing, and also team behavior.
So, ma'am, any resource links where we can, if we have to run such assessment centers, one or two, I'm not saying assessment centers, but if we have to do such a small assessment with a group of people, then can we go to any specific links where we can get such type of exercises, or we just
I
Google it?
think Wilma should be able to, because internet
you.
you have, but you need to look at what kind of an organization you have. Like sometimes what happens on the ground when you're doing this exercise, you try and make it very hard. I mean, so don't make your assessment center tools and techniques so difficult. It is not a question of how much tough I can make it for them. No, you have to look at it from the perspective of that, job elements. What is the scale and scope of the job as well? Don't make it, sometimes when you sit in an interview, you want to give him the toughest question. It is almost like, it is not interviewing the candidate. It is your own challenge, right? So, yes, you do have a lot of things. on the
I would
internet.
like to add one thing to Minal's. Minal, you had a query on assessment center, right?
I had a query on assessment, and also I do not know if you were there before, Wilma. I also told ma'am that sometimes just for a better understanding of the competencies, is they like ma'am gave us a link of onset if there are no job descriptions, or we can prepare a job description. But in case if I want to look at a functional competency of a particular role, then which other website I should be referring to?
No need to, you see, there are a lot of information on the website, but then it will confuse you all the more, and it will not help you to get the right information for each of the competencies. So after this program is completed, we will share you one competency-based interviewing program, right? Which is free of cost, and it is exclusively given to those who complete the competency mapping and assessment program. It is not open for everybody. So that will have a set of competency-based questions for each of the roles, right from the career, from the from the entry level of the career, mid-level, and senior level. So there are set of competencies which you have to focus for the entry level. There are some set of competencies which you have to typically focus for the mid-level, and some competencies for the leadership positions and the senior. So you are very clear. If I'm hiring for entry level, I need to look at these competencies. If I'm hiring for mid, I have to look at this. So there is clarity and standardization across the functions, irrespective of the functions, the department.
Are they behavioral competencies, or are they functional competencies?
Behavioral competence.
Not the functional.
No, functional competencies will be specific to those functions which you have to,
Yeah. So my
map it
question
out.
was, now supposing if it's the head of finance, okay, and if of course the job description will do a lot of speaking, but if I want to know what are the functional competencies a head of finance should have, then is there any reference where I can look at, is what I was asking for.
No, what ma'am has told is absolutely the right format. You go to the ONET, pick up that job descriptions, the roles, give it to the functional heads and the other stakeholders of the department, the key people in the department, ask them to fill it up, they might add some of the functions which are not in the ONET. Then you compile it, sit with them and make the competency list for those functional. Okay. And the competencies should not be more than 5 to 6. You should not have some 14, 10, 12 competencies. No, 4, 5, 6 maximum.
But also, just adding to Vilma, let me also look at, because I want to give you an authentic link so that you are closer to some kind of, to get a good understanding of what these functional competencies are. Okay. Definitely, we will probably will support you.
Because sometimes what happens, ma'am, is that when some of the managers are not very oriented with all these, all these jargons which we are talking about, so it becomes very simple for me to explain to them and give them in writing that, see, I have identified these 4 functional competencies, which I think matches your role. We can then discuss,
iterate it, you can go through it and then try and
then come back to me, because if I go to a job description, it will take a lot more time.
Time.
Yeah.
So yes, probably, in that aspect, maybe the group can get some support. Let me just look back and help you with it. Okay.
Thanks, ma'am.
Welcome. Any questions from anybody?
We were just discussing, sorry.
This is Gopa. Yes, Gopa, tell me.
No, I was just, because you did mention that Vilma would be sharing the PPT with us regarding the previous session PPTs also.
Vilma will share it.
Yeah, okay, so that's fair.
Also, any kind of additional information with respect to all this, definitely I would share it with Vilma and she will share it with you.
I'm Prachi this side. Ma'am, as I was asking earlier as well, would we be going through the assessor sheet? How do you design the assessor sheet? Would that be something, a little bit more in detail? We got to hang through that particular exercise we did, but then that's pretty much very, very concise. So because an assessor sheet is far more detailed and it has multiple aspects to really look at. So can you help us with some data points or some?
Absolutely. In the next session, we will definitely show you that and probably add some more input for you. Prachi? Definitely.
So that helps. Thank you.
Yeah. Assessor sheet. Okay. Yeah. So guys, have a good weekend, whatever is left of, and enjoy your Sunday. And thank you all for this active participation. And have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Have a great
Welcome.
Sunday evening, everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.